Looking for the best coffee makers of 2025. In this video, we'll review the top coffee machines that deliver excellent brewing quality and innovative features. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned coffee lover, these picks are perfect for every coffee enthusiast. If you want to know about the price and other details, be sure to check the description. So, without any delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Nespresso Virtuo Plus. The Nespresso Virtuo Plus Coffee and Espresso Maker by DeLonghi is one of the best coffee makers 2025, designed for effortless brewing with its single-serve functionality. Perfect for coffee lovers, this versatile machine brews 4-cup sizes, from bold coffee to double espresso and even iced coffee. With a 25-second heat-up time and energy-saving automatic shut-off, it offers a convenient and efficient coffee experience. This Best Coffee Machine 2025 is ideal for home use, especially for those who enjoy variety in their daily coffee routine. The 40-ounce water tank and included starter set of Nespresso capsules ensure you have everything you need to start brewing. Upgrade your morning coffee ritual with the Nespresso Virtuo Plus, your perfect companion for exceptional coffee at home. Number 2. Keurig K-Duo. The Keurig K-Duo Hot and Iced Single-Serve and Carafe Coffee Maker is one of the best coffee makers 2025, designed to brew both K-Cup pods and coffee grounds. Featuring multi-stream technology, it evenly saturates the grounds. For full flavor and aroma, whether you're brewing hot or cold, this versatile coffee maker allows you to brew a single cup or a 12-cup carafe with customizable brew sizes of 6, 8, 10, or tightly woivozozi for single cups and carafes. The Best Coffee Maker reviews highlight its top-rated coffee machine's ability to brew strong coffee with extra hot and brew over ice functionality. Its 72 oz reservoir reduces refills, while the front-facing control panel makes brewing a breeze. Upgrade your coffee experience with the Keurig K-Duo. Number 3. Simply Good Coffee. The Simply Good Coffee Maker is one of the best coffee makers 2025, designed to deliver perfect coffee every time. With a 195°F to 205°F water temperature range, it brews up to 8 cups in just 6 minutes, ensuring a rich and full flavor. Perfect for coffee makers for beginners, it features easy one-button operation and an optional bloom feature for enhanced flavor. The compact, durable stainless steel design adds elegance to any kitchen while taking up minimal counter space. This Best Espresso Machine 2025 offers a 40-minute auto-timer hot plate and dishwasher-safe parts for easy cleanup. Backed by a 30-day money-back guarantee and a 2-year warranty, it's the perfect addition to any home or as a thoughtful gift. Number 4. Ninja Drip Coffee Maker. The Ninja Drip Coffee Maker with K-Cup combo is one of the best coffee makers 2025, offering a 13-size dual coffee maker system for both grounds and pods. It brews 5 ground sizes and 4 pod sizes, including 6 ISO 12 OZ. Servings, making it versatile for any coffee lover. Known as one of the best automatic coffee makers, it brews faster than leading competitors like Keurig, delivering rich flavor and efficiency for your busy mornings. With 4 brew style choices, including classic, rich, over ice, and specialty, plus a built-in frother for lattes and cappuccinos, it's ideal for those who love variety. The 60 Oz removable water reservoir and independent hot water system make it a perfect budget coffee maker 2025 for any kitchen. Number 5. Nespresso Virtuo Pop. The Nespresso Virtuo Pop Pli Deluxe Coffee and Espresso Maker by Breville is one of the best coffee makers 2025, offering a variety of coffee formats in 5 sizes, including 5, 8, Yaotao und Vio's coffees and single or double espressos. Perfect for any space, its compact design and removable 37 Fl Oz water tank make it ideal for tight kitchens or best coffee machines for office setups. Featuring a one-touch coffee system and a quick 30-second heat-up time, this machine is convenient for busy mornings. For coffee lovers who enjoy premium blends, the Virtuo Pop Plus offers over 40 coffee varieties and includes a complimentary tasting pack. Plus, the included Eroccino milk frother lets you create silky smooth milk froth for your favorite coffee. Recipes. Whether you're brewing a quick cup at home or impressing clients at work, this machine delivers barista-quality coffee every time. With its sleek design and user-friendly features, it's the ultimate addition to any coffee lovers. Collection. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so make sure to subscribe to my channel. If you need more information about this product, check out the description. Stay updated with cool products that make your life easier.